Okay, it is RS1 Saturday. RS1 Saturday. Here we got Ryzen. Man, it's been a while since I rode Ryzen. I got the ITP. I think I was running 32s these days. It's been so long. Yeah. 255, 85, 15s. And Q-Man, that's right, he's got the 35s.
35s, buddy.
35s on his RS1 Maverick, named Maverick. And you got a new winch. Look at a new shiny winch. We get to maybe you'll get a chance to use that in the mud. All right, guys. So we'll see you guys on the trail. Have a good one.
All right, let's do it.
Where's the winch on the thing?
We're gonna have to winch from your probably to here to pull them back.
From mine?
Yeah.
Oh, to the roof column?
Yeah. You gotta be okay. Just gonna hook it onto here. I'll pull you back so you can roll backwards. Grab the winch and
All right, so off camera, guys, we both hooked up the RS1s with the winches, and he's literally, we're pulling on concrete. He's not going backwards at all. So he's gonna get the front winch. There's no adjustment that I know of. Well, I've never seen that adjustment. What do you mean? There's just the knob lock.
Yeah, high and low. Oh no, you don't have high and low.
There you go. Yeah, but yours does.
Yeah. Yeah, mine got high and low.
It didn't help you though. All right, here we go. Take two. Winching forward. Thing is easy with that exhaust. Come out of the hole. a nice new winch, just shackled. Got your remote out. There it goes. Dead.
No, it's filming. Oh, it just turns off.
There he goes. Those clutches are a hard time on those things, huh? Yeah, does he have a gear reduction in that? Then that's why it's so much trouble. You can't just burn a belt. You can't go. Those are 35s too. Turbo S, that thing's like a desert car, huh?
I'm gonna change the placement back a little farther.
Was like, I'm finally getting out of here. Missing the whole thing out here. We gotta find a gear first. You can't find a gear. It's just scattering. You have 2 meters behind you left to go to the right hill. He's gonna hit your tire eventually here. Back up. There we go. It's time to unhook. You gotta steer to the right. Q&M recovery. We're the ones with the winches. All right. In Canada, Canadian version. That's the end of today's UTV adventure. Turbo S towed back to pit. This is Irnie Racing, and over there is Q-Man, the tow truck.